Guys, in this video, I'm going to apply the skin. So this is a wooden grain skin. I'm going to apply it to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So before we begin, I'm just going to give the back surface a good clean. So here we're going to clean it up using the wet wipe. And there's a dry wipe as well. Okay, so we begin with the wet wipe. It's not actually, it's already dry out. Probably have been in the packet for too long. So just give it a good clean around the glasses at the back. Okay, so once we have cleaned all the dust and lint and everything away, we can then try to put on the protector. Okay, that looks pretty clean to me. Okay, so here, this is the skin right here. So I'm just gonna peel it out. It looks a bit tricky to put on, so we'll see how we go. So start at the bottom. We'll move a little bit more to the left hand side. There's no guidance on here, so kind of like we have to do by an eye. Just visually put it on, I guess. So there it is. So this one here seems to be a little bit small. So I'll probably need to peel it out a little bit, and then we go from the top down. I think it's safe if we just going to go from the top down where the camera is. So I'm going to just pull out this cutout. Probably do it from the top down like this. Probably be easier because then we can use this as a measurement and a camera cutout. Okay, hopefully that is straightened. Okay. It's quite easily to peel out. If you make a mistakes, you can easily peel it out and then try again. There's plenty of room for mistakes, and then if there's a mistake, you can try it again. Now the package says this is for 10 plus, and this is for 10 plus, but it does not actually fit the whole phone. So here you can say I make a mistake, I peel it out and I try again. It fit in perfectly fine. So it fit in with the curtains perfectly fine here as well. There it is. So what do you think? This is the skin protector for the Galaxy S10. I can imagine there will be similar skin protector for the Galaxy S25 or 25 Ultra or the Plus, or even the Galaxy S23 or 24. Looks pretty cool, right? So it's got the cover at the back, kind of like wooden grain protecting the back of the phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So this is what it looks like on the side here. And on this side as well, again, kind of like press it down to make it nice and tight and secure. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.